Hello everyone, my name is Muskan Gupta and today I will be presenting my presentation on the topic Production Technology of Cauliflower. But before starting, I'd like to thank our esteemed course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for your wonderful guidance and support. You are always kind, patient and helpful and truly care about your passion and your students. Thank you so much for keeping us engaged in learning and laughing, for your passion and your willingness to share that passion with your student even in these hard COVID times. I appreciate the opportunity you gave me to present this presentation. Now I would like to start my presentation. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is one of the several vegetables in the species Brassica oleracea in the genus Brassica, which is Brassicaceae or mustard family. It is an edible plant that reproduces by seed. Typically, only the head is eaten. The edible white flesh, sometimes called curd, with a similar appearance to cheese curd. Cauliflower head is composed of a white inflorescence meristem. Cauliflower heads resembles those in broccoli, which differs in having flower buds as the edible portion. Brassica oleracea includes broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, collard green, and kale, collectively called cole crops, though they are of different cultivar groups. The word cauliflower derived from Indian cauliflower, meaning cabbage flower. The ultimate origin of name is derived from the Latin words callus, which means cabbage, and flowers, which mean flower. Cauliflower is relatively difficult to grow compared to the cabbage, with a common problem such as undeveloped head and poor curd quality. If we talk about soil texture, cauliflower likes to grow in full sun and rich, moist, well-drained soil with a pH between 6 to 7 till the soil is loosened to a depth of 12 to 15 inches. Then work in a 3-inch layer of nutrient-rich compost garden or soil such as Miracle Geo garden soil for vegetable and herbs into the top 6 inches of the native soil. Nitrogen-rich fertilizers is needed to encourage leaf growth, and cauliflower is heavy feeder. Add generous amount of nitrogen-rich fertilizer to your soil before planting begins. Although cauliflower is a heavy feeder, over-fertilizing can lead to hollow stems. Now talking about the climatic condition, cauliflower is a cool weather crop that requires 55 to 100 days of cool even temperature to reach harvest. Start planting cauliflower seeds indoors 6 to 10 weeks before the last frost in spring. Transplants can go into the garden 2 to 6 weeks before the last frost, usually 6 weeks after sowing. Cauliflower is a sun-loving, cool season crop to grow in spring and fall. Cauliflower can be a challenge for the beginner gardeners because it requires constantly cool temperature with temperatures in 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Cauliflower require an average temperature pH of 5.5 to 6. High pH reduces availability of boron. Now there are several varieties of cauliflower found in India. Several varieties of cauliflower, namely early Kanvari, Pusa Dipali, Pusa synthetic, improved Japanese, Pusa Subra, Pusa hybrid 2, Pusa snowball 1, Pusa snowball 2, snowball 16, Pusa snowball K1, Pant Shubra, Pant Gobi 2, Pant Gobi 3, Pant Gobi 4, Punjab Giant 26, Hisar 1 has been developed. In case of irrigation, sow the seed raised in beds and transplant 25 days early varieties, 45 days oat seedling late varieties at 45 cm apart. Irrigation is done once in a week during January and February. Irrigation is done once in a week. In case of yield, early maturing cultivars have an average yield of 80 to 120 quarter per hectare. The main season, cauliflower produces 150 to 200 quarter yield per hectare, while snowball group and the other late maturing cultivars give the highest yield of 250 to 300 quarter per hectare because of the high compact curds and larger plant population per unit area. In this slide, you can see time of sowing, maturity, and temperature required by different groups of cauliflower. Sowing time of group 1 is May to June and their time of maturity is late August to mid-November. Temperature required is 20 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. In case of group 2nd, time of sowing is July to August. Time of maturity is late November to end December and temperature required is 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. For group 3rd, time of sowing is August to September. Time of maturity is mid-December to mid-January and temperature required is 12 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. Also for group 4th, that is also called as late session, time of sowing is mid-September to October. Time of maturity is mid-January to March and temperature required is 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. For seed rate and spacing, seed rate of early variety is 600 to 750 grams, mid-early session variety is 500 grams, mid-late variety is 400 grams and late variety is 300 grams. For spacing, early variety needs 45 into 30 cm and mid-late session variety needs 60 to 45 centimeters. Talking about the nutritional value of cauliflower, raw cauliflower is 92% water, 5% carbon dioxide, 2% protein and contain negligible fat. 100 gram reference of amount raw cauliflower provides 100 kilojoules bracket 25 kilojoules of food energy, a high content 20% or more of the daily value of vitamin C, 58% daily value and moderate levels of several vitamin B and K, 13 to 15 daily value. Contains of dietary minerals are low, 7% dietary value or less. In the end, I'd like to say cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is naturally high in fibers and B vitamins. It provides antioxidants and phytonutrients that can protect against cancer. It also contains fiber to enhance weight loss and digestion, choline that is essential for learning and memory, and many other important nutrients. In the end, I'd like to thank everyone for your patient hearing and our course instructor for giving me this opportunity.